Benefits of fish oil. Gone fishing? That catch of the day could very well be beneficial to your health. Cold water fish such as halibut, mackerel, salmon and tuna contain high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, an unsaturated fat that offers many health benefits for men and women alike. The benefits are so great that the American Heart Association recommends eating at least 2 servings of fish each week. It's important to note that fish oil is derived from the tissues of fatty, cold water, oily fish, which contain high concentrations of these essential oils. Unlike other fats, the human body cannot make its own omega-3 fatty acids, so food and fish oil supplements are the only sources. Omega-3 fatty acids are a vital component of brain, muscle, and immune system cells, and so they are critical throughout the body. More specifically, here are 10 benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. 1. Prevent excessive blood clotting, which can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease such as stroke and coronary artery disease. 2. Reduce inflammation throughout your body. Inflammation is a major factor in prostatitis, heart disease, rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, multiple sclerosis, and other diseases. 3. Lower the amount of cholesterol and triglycerides in your bloodstream. 4. Maintain the fluidity of your cell membranes, which is essential for cells to grow and maintain your health. 5. Facilitate the ability of your arteries to relax and dilate, good for maintaining normal blood pressure and overall cardiovascular health. 6. Inhibit thickening of the arteries by decreasing endothelial cells' production of a substance called platelet-derived growth factor, also good for blood pressure and cardiovascular health. 7. Reduce the risk of becoming obese by improving the body's ability to respond to insulin by stimulating the secretion of leptin, a hormone that helps regulate food consumption, body weight and metabolism, and is expressed mainly by fat cells. 8. Help prevent cancer cell growth, including prostate, esophageal, and colorectal cancer. 9. Alleviate symptoms of depression, bipolar disorder, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and psychosis. 10. Enhance memory, recall, and reasoning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow the link below this video for more information.